making a beautiful sunflower with your help. To make it, first we cut a long piece of yam into some pieces. We have to cut it lengthwise and then we have to make some cuts inside it. As soon as we finish making cuts in it, we have to shape it into a round shape. By putting it in the shape of a meat, its shape will become like a sunflower pole. After that, we have to put a bag under it, with the help of which a branch will be formed. Now look at how beautiful the sunflower flower has become. With the help of my mother, look at this edit of my mother. How beautiful it is that we have made it and shown it to you.